Down here tonight playing with this device I just made to help build my train wheels with. So what does this do? Well, this right here is the world's largest nutcracker. Because it goes like this. You put your pipe in there and you pinch the pipe. So let's get our pipe in flattened. Just pop it right in there. All the way down against that. Right there. I'll tell you what, I don't know if this is... Yeah, I can tell you this ain't safe. I'll tell you what, man. What the hell's going on here? Alright, he's up. I'll tell you what. So you're putting about 2.5, 3 tons on that. So you got that 3-foot lever. That's a lot of force. I'll tell you what, I think we're putting a couple 100,000 pounds of torque on this thing. So we go like this. Oh, look at that pitch better. I'll tell you what, that's what we've been on. Oh, geez. Oh, that is sweet. Line up. Way down. Okay. See, it's hard to see it though. Right on. Man, I tell you what, we got so long down here now. That was actually kind of scary. Oh, look at that, nice. It's like the jaws of life. I'll tell you what, this is the strongest thing I ever made. Look at that, nice and flat. Nice and flat, exactly the way I want it. Now let's fix it. And we'll put it there and turn it up. Nice straight. Alright, next side. Yeah, we understand safe business practices here. Yeah, just right there. All the way in there. All the way against the side you can get it. Nice and straight though. Nice and straight. Alright, nice and straight. Right place. I'll tell you what, that wood split, that makes it kind of scary actually. Next, put it over. It's hard to see that though. Straight down and right there. Right in there straight. I'll tell you what, I hope you're enjoying this physics lesson here. I'll tell you what, that is a heck of a lot of force on there. Jeez. Oh yeah. You call floating furniture having a pinch hazard. That's turning your hand to a hamburger. Oh, Brian, straighten it out. Perfect. So there's another part of our axle there. That's nuts. I'll tell you, we'll show you what's going on over here. 4 minutes. So we're drawing up pieces, and over here we got our truck we're building. So we got our 4-point offset saddle there for suspension. I tell you, that bar down there serves 2 purposes. If it derails, it sits on the ground instead of busting up my wheels, and we have our suspension. It's going to hang from right here. We got our garage springs in there. I'll put a couple screws in there. It's going to hang from here. And if the suspension breaks, it's going to catch it and keep it from falling down. Yeah, we need some side force springs so we can get truck hunting. Truck hunting is when the suspension and everything starts bouncing like this. So you don't want any side force on the road because it'll break it. And I tell you, the suspension helps these wheels stay glued to the track when they hit a bump. And there's our other two pieces we got on there. Let me get the other one over there, red build. I tell you, every car has an A axle and a B axle, and an A truck and a B truck, and they're all labeled with the car number, so you know which way the wheels came off the track with the train derailed. So you got what? A axle, A truck, B truck, A axle, B axle, B axle, A axle, and each axle is like an A side and B side.